Hello again, traders. Right, I haven't made a video for ages and ages, and it's been playing on my mind a bit because I do like to keep up the momentum, as it were. But after you've made so many, it becomes difficult to think of worthwhile topics. But and this literally is a minute decision. I was studying charts, just doing my own thing, and or spur of the moment, should I say. And I noticed something that's really important, and let me just explain why I was looking at these charts. I'm looking for these see this pink arrow hiding behind all that mess. Apologies for all the mess here. I will zoom in. Let's see if we can yeah, mate, it's there. It's also under a little red arrow. These are all automated arrows, and they've got various settings. It's the RSI Histo Alert Indicator by Dinesh. Thank you, Dinesh. It is absolutely priceless. You'll need to go to my Twitter feed to put in Dinesh's name as a keyword, and you'll find all sorts of stuff come up about the work he has done for our community. We're very fortunate to have it. So, got a trade. Not on this pair, but on one of the cryptos this morning, ETH, with exactly this in mind. Massive move down. This is a vol bomb, what we call a volume bomb. Thank you, Simon, for that. And what it is a really strong push, and we often get reversals at these, and we can see what happened here, and a massive push to the upside. So lots and lots of ways to trade all of these different things. So when I noticed that, I also noticed something else, and this is really something I've mentioned many times in the past but don't mention enough, is significant levels. Now you can see we've got a standard oh, come on, why isn't that moving? Probably got too much going on my charts. What's happening now? Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Excuse me. Got this SS support and resistance indicator, and it's showing us a clear level of demand down below. But you may be thinking, oh, this is really should still carry on down to this area here where demand is hiding, buyers are hiding. No, a significant area can also be an old 3CR level. And this is something I've noticed years and years ago when I was building 3CRs, as it were. What do we know about a 3-candle reversal? Well, we know it is a break of resistance to the left-hand side. That red candle's high, and it therefore is a significant level. And look where this reversed. Exactly. So what can we do very easily when we're looking at the price here, wondering where it might go if it breaks down? We can look for a 3CR. Again, this is Aaron's fantastic indicator, Intrepid Noodle, on excuse me, the Rebel Ant 3CR on my Twitter feed. Also, you can just literally draw a level there and expect price to have a problem at an old significant area. It works all the time. So how much more simple could that be to put that on your charts? So if we zoom out again, and we can get rid of that line. Excuse me, I'm feeling a bit coldy this morning. Now we can have a look at, and this is what I always say as well, use your charts. Charts never lie, charts don't lie. You've got all the information you need to teach yourself to trade on your charts. When price was up here, just like when price was up here, what do you think might be a significant area where price might bounce? And lo and behold, there we have, and all of these levels on here are drawn automatically. That's why, you know, when people tell me indicators don't work, I tell them they're idiots. Sorry about that, guys, if it offends anyone, but you are. So here we go. Look at that. Bounced off the 3-candle reversal level, and you know, you can drop the candles off your charts and use bars, and you will find these. And if you turn them one color, which is what I often do too, you will then be able to see these 3-candle reversal levels clearer, and you will also see the congestion created by price action at those levels. So that was the whole point of this video, to be honest with you guys. Look for significant levels and use all the information that we've got. Look at that congestion there. That's the example I was looking for. Look at it. Push, 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 finally breaks out and it takes off. And there we have on our charts a lovely 3CR. The other thing that I was noticing or wanted to mention as well, you know, thousands of things go through my head when I'm studying these charts, is that the powerful breakout. You know, you don't want a one candle 3CR really. I can't see one, for example, now. You know, just it breaks through one candle's low, let's say, for example, there, and there's the actual candle that 3CR, and as you can see, there was a little trade there, but you're really hunting for reasons to trade, you know, and that's a dangerous thing to do. But when you've got this going on here, this is a 15-minute chart, so you've got a whole hour and a half worth of build-up, if you like, by the algorithms, building, discounted, pushing the price down using their own money, as it were, to build up a big position here, add $1 million worth of sales, add $1 million worth of sales, add $1 million worth of sales, finally we've got £5 million worth of orders put on there, and bang, up it goes. You've beaten the living daylights out of the buyers, the sellers rather, faking them in all the time, and then the powerful move is up. So the more of this sideways you get, then a shallow, if you like, 3CR, because that would be always up here, would be the target area, and I can easily see there's some sort of a rapid fire machine gun thing going on that Sarah talks about on the strat, as it were, the strat strategy. I think the machine gun is her own sort of notable sort of setup, as it were, you know. So there we go, guys. Significant areas. Let's go back to the candles, and let's go back to the 5-minute chart. And could it be simpler? Looking for a 3CR on the left hand side. That is a significant area, similar to what I just talked about, where they're just pushing, finally break out. There's no more sellers left. Price can only go up, as it were. I mean, obviously you cannot use that expression and just hit trades willy-nilly, but if there's no sellers left in the market, the buyers have taken control. And how could we spot that thing? Easy. Using Rebelant's Aaron's 3CR indicator there, when that's breaking down, and you'd look at that for a possible entry using the lower time frame, so it's not all over. And also remember, these arrows print during the candle, so you don't wait for the candle to close. I know Dinesh prefers to wait for the candle close, if you follow what he does, but what I would say about that is, if I've got a clear target down here and I've got a clear reason to go short, in other words a breakout of all this support here, and I've got the correct setup. Oh, and remember, we're selling off of a resistance level, and you will see a significant level. I mean, look at this when it broke out. Sorry, I'm changing the subject slightly, but look, when that broke out up there, where do you think it was going to go to? Lo and behold, there's a 3-candle reversal, a level of significant interest, and look what happens over here, guys. You know, that's overlaid right on that level, and look, there it goes. And you know, you couldn't make this stuff up. These are all over the place, these things. 3-candle reversals are significant levels as such. They are brilliant levels to trade to and from. Just remind you, that one over there, that thing there, they are absolutely everywhere. You know, I'm not making this up in hindsight. This is exactly what I used. And you know, these arrows help us as well. I've mentioned this in previous videos. You know, look what's going on here. When this is broken out here, what have I got ahead of me? I've got a 3CR happened there, and price played around there. I've got a 3CR happened here. You couldn't make this stuff up, and price is playing around here. You could not make this stuff up. One chart and an impromptu video and numerous, absolutely numerous occurrences of what I wanted to explain to you. And the same thing goes on every chart. A 3CR, 3 candle reversal, will be a significant level on anything you trade. You know, you've got a couple going on here. So we've created a 3 candle reversal to the downside. That's why they're pink. Just took away from the red just to identify, and a bluey ones for the long ones. But you know, draw a line through those two 3CRs, you know, between the two, if you like, there. So we're seeing that, and look what's happened here. Massive level of interest. And then even when it broke down here, this is a 5-minute chart, that would have been a decent little breakout on the 1 minute. If I'd drawn the levels on these 3CRs, then look what happens. It breaks down and it breaks into that level. No coincidences here, guys. 3CRs are the change between buyers and sellers, the imbalance of price, supply and demand. People talk about it. They give you all these different reasons why supply and demand is different to support and resistance, yada yada yada. Just use your common sense on these charts. Don't try and reinvent the wheel with all these different sayings. A 3 candle reversal is the disparity between buyers and sellers. That's all you need to really know, the disparity between buyers and sellers. Whether it's a 3CR or some other super duper method of trading, a 1-2-3, a 3-2-3, a 3-3-1, 2-2-1 reversal, whatever they are are all explanations of the same thing, supply and demand imbalance. So thanks for watching. Sorry for being a bit preachy, but have a good look at these things, guys. There are thousands of ways to trade the same thing, as long as you understand what's going on. And the easiest way to understand what's going on is draw levels on your charts and watch what happens. And if you've got these automated levels on your charts, then use them. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.